Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli ako si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito ang aking daily devotion ngayong December 16. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung connected ka ba talaga o feeling mo lang. Now, this is in relation towards the topic of Jesus being the true vine. When Jesus declares himself the true vine, he reveals that all spiritual life, growth, and fruitfulness come from union with him. Israel was often pictured as a vine that failed to bear fruit, but Jesus stands as the faithful and life-giving source his people can depend on. Those connected to him receive sustaining grace that enables genuine obedience, endurance, and transformation. Sabi nga po sa John chapter 15 verse 5, I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. Now, this is a very hard-hitting verse because it sets boundaries. It sets the limitations of man. We, apart from Jesus, will die. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean na kapag ikaw ay hindi naniniwala sa Panginoon, you will die right here and then. That means that after your physical death, your spiritual life will no longer be comfortable. In fact, your spirit, your soul, will fall into eternal suffering in what we call hell. Dagat-dagatang apoy. Because it is. It is definitely true. So, there are many teachings. First off, Jesus is the source of life. Si Jesus po ang pinagmulan ng buhay. At hindi lang po ito yung initial na buhay na sinasabi natin ng when it pertains to Adam and Eve, no? It also pertains to our life. Yung buhay natin, kung wala si Jesus, will cease to exist up until today. And we are nothing apart from Jesus. We are but a speck in the vast universe. Sobrang liit lang natin kung ikukumpara natin yung sarili natin sa kabuuan ng creation. But what separates us from other creations is our relationship with Jesus. And that is why discipleship is a vital blood connection. Dahil sa discipleship, nare-rekindle yung ating lost relationship with God. And dahil sa relationship na rekindled, we are able to bear fruit. Not necessarily merong tumutubong prutas sa atin, but it so happens that the things in our life result into something meaningful. Something that has eternal meaning. So, since you are now aware and meron kang choice, you should remain as a branch in the vine. Huwag ka nang lumayo sa source of nutrition mo. That's Jesus. And live as a disciple to prove your connection. Ibig sabihin po ng live is sa buhay mo. Hindi lang dapat dinideclare mo in terms of words, you should declare as well in terms of actions. How? Bear fruit, love, and joy for the glory of God. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Hopefully, marami kayong natutunan. And as always, give glory to God.